What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. What's up? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're safe, blessed, well. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are always welcome. Hey, you guys. It's not about me today, it's about the garden. Today, I'm going to give you a full garden tour. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. You guys leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys, you're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to head over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. And you can get any question you have answered over there as well. Thank you guys so much for being here. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay? So also, look, you guys, purple peppers. Purple peppers still coming. Purple peppers still coming. We're gonna try these one day, you guys. Yeah. These are our rescue plants that we got when they were on their last leg. You guys, patience is key. I see new growth inside. They're way bigger than when I got them. And yes, you guys, I'm under the tree, so the little rain that's falling, it's falling really hard from under the tree. Look at that new growth in there. Yeah. Now, all of these were wilted and small, and I just took the time to give them some tender love and care, and they're doing their thing. Georgia collards. We have another pepper plant over here that sprouted up. Where it came from, I don't know, okay? But thank you, Lord, for the unknown pepper. So yeah, you guys, these are some collards, and here are some cabbage that we rescued. Look how big that one got. All of these were on their last leg, you guys. Look at this chard. I think chard is just shaped so beautifully. And this is a whole stack. We can actually separate this, you guys. So we have tons of Swiss chard that we can separate and get more food out of. Now, you remember we clipped all of our turnip greens and they're back. These are turnips, mustards. We have more Swiss chard, mustard greens, red mustard greens. Yeah, you guys, had a few questions like, what else you got going on? More cabbage, turnip greens. Yeah, you guys, and our rescue plants are really doing well. They're taking off. And I fertilize them once a week outside. In my containers, I do twice a week. Outside, I do once a week with my fish emulsion fertilizer. Yeah, you guys, this pumpkin plant, I don't know what it calls itself doing, but it keeps running and running, and I'm not going to bother. Look, we're still getting leaves on a pumpkin in October. Yeah, you guys. There's more of our rescue plants trying to make it. Some of them are doing better than others, you guys. Here's one of our pepper plants. Look at that. She is just producing. Look at that. Yep, in October. This one over here, she has some babies coming. Yep. Up, more African Zulu peppers coming. Yep. Things are still blooming. Look at this. Remember I tell you about your little babies? Sometimes your little babies will shock you. A pepper. These are all little babies that we started from seed. There's an onion in there. I'm not going to bother him. Let it grow. Some of our strawberries are still holding on. And I'm going to show you how to overwinter those. Okay. Some of our beans that are still in containers, still producing. Yep, you guys, some of more of our beans. We have more mustard greens. And let me take you to the back area. You guys, I have tomatoes growing as if it's the beginning of summer. Look here. What are these tomatoes doing? Growing right now. We might dig these babies up and put them in the greenhouse. Look at this, 2 of them. Beautiful tomato plants. Beautiful. Here's some arugula. Yeah, you guys, some arugula. And then here's our grape. Look, another tomato. Tomato plants. Watermelon. Look at that. A little baby watermelon. What do you know? Wow. Yeah, Mother Nature is doing her own thing. Over here is our grapevine that we planted. Look, you guys. She's already attached to the fence by herself. See that? Looking good. Yep, looking good. And I just want to intertwine it into that fence, just like that. Yep. And I'm going to let it grow in the corner like that. So, yeah, we have our big pile of soil. I'm so thankful and blessed for that compost. It's cow manure and garden soil, all that good stuff mixed together. Yeah, you guys, I cleaned out the garage because we're getting ready to start greenhouse growing. Some of our flowers are still blooming, ready to sprout. I picked a lot of eggplants, gave some away to family. Let's look up. More coming along. Eggplants everywhere. Oh, more over here, you guys. They're doing great. Yeah, this thing is as tall as me. We have bell peppers. Oh, wow, they're just getting huge. Look. Isn't that awesome? Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, wow. Seems like when you pick one, more come. I'm telling you. Look at these peppers. You know we picked all these peppers. And they're back. More peppers. Okra. Okra plant as tall as me. Then inside we have all of our multiple greens. We have sweet potatoes. We have more cabbage. We have more spinach. We have kale. We have a whole slew of beans over there. I lined the side up with beans. Look at those guys. They've gotten huge. Flowers everywhere. More of our greens. Red mustards over here. Our fruit tree is making its own fruit tree. And this is our plum tree, our bubblegum plum tree. This part has gone dormant and she's producing down here, you guys. So she's gonna make her own thing. This is one of our nectarine trees. This is one of our cherry trees. I thought she had died. And then I see this. Thanks, Lead Farmer, for always encouraging us with the fruit trees. Shout out. And then here's another plum tree. No, peach. This is going to be a peach tree, you guys. So pray for my fruit trees. We have more okra plants over here doing their thing. Very tall plants. Very tall. So yeah, what else we got going on the Skinny Boy Farms? We have more beans growing over there. More lettuces. Look, you guys, you remember we planted all this together. Yeah. And that's how she's doing. So, up here on the deck, the lettuce that we trimmed came back. Spinach is still trying to come on in. This is some parsley I'm waiting to bloom. 7-top turnip. More peppers. Beets. Swiss chard. Verole spinach. Arugula. More peppers are blooming. Chinese cabbage. More lettuce. Yeah, you guys, it's getting really wet out here. Another green bed down there full of greens. A new grow bag that we're about to start up. And I just have to show you my elephant ears, you guys, before I let you go. My elephant ears did so great, you guys. I started them from bulbs, and they really took off. Look at them. Showing you from the side of the house. Look how huge that plant is. I mean, it's way bigger than my entire arm. Yeah, way bigger than anything I've ever seen in my life. I just feel like I'm in the jungle with these. Look at them. Look at them. Huge. And they've started to bloom. Look inside. It actually flowered. You see that? And all of them are starting to flower. Yeah, you guys. All of them are starting to flower. And those are my elephant ears, you guys. So I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Just wanted to give you a full garden tour of the Skinny Boy Farms. So we're still growing. Remember, click like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? Okay? Thank you so much for being here. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. You're the best.